Good day, everyone. I am Alvin Sir A. Saribun from BSRT3F. Today, I'm going to perform the thorax assessment and long return demonstration. So good day, sir. I am Saribun Alvin Sir A, your artist student for today. May I know your name and age po, sir?
My name is Alid Sir Ali, 20 years old.
So, today I'm going to do the thorax assessment, which means I need you to stand up and to touch your upper extremities. Is that will be alright, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For your privacy, sir, let us close the curtain.
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable now, sir?
Yes po.
So let us start the procedure. May I see your fingers, sir? Do you experience difficulty breathing, sir?
No po.
Any allergies?
No?
Or like may sakit ka?
Wala naman.
Meron history sa pamilya may sakit?
Wala rin po.
Okay, sir. Can you sit, sir, like in the front?
Like what, sir? Like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Just tell me if you feel any pain. So, okay, sir. So, sir, now I'm going to palpate your temporal parameters and can you please say 99?
99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Okay, sir.
Good luck.
Kino?
Kabatuan na island.
Can you inhale, exhale for me, sir?
Sabihin mo. Ipagin sa ngayon. May malas ko na kayo.
Mark, inhale, exhale.
Ang bisara.
So, can you count 1, 2, 3 for me, sir?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now, sir, may I request your hand to put over your shoulder and bend? So, sir, please say inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Ready to say the word 99?
99, 99, 99, 99, 99. Okay, sir. E.
Okay, sir. I need you to inhale, exhale deeply. Exhale. Okay. Crossing your bigger thorax. Sir, I did you to 18 weeks. Sir, upon examining your chest, when I inspect you, you have a normal position is in the midline, and when I palpate your chest, the vital premises are normal naman, and as I percuss your chest, you have relative intensity, which is the loud, then you have relatively pitch, which is the low, and your relative duration is long. And lastly, when I auscultate breath sound are normal, no wheezes or crackles are heard. So overall, is normal naman po.
Thank you.
Thank you.